So I recently received a package from one of my favorite brands, Barakett. Now, I've done past video reviews on their stuff, more specifically their t-shirts, and I did take a bit of a peek, but let's see what they sent. Alright, so the first piece is their Barakett Turtleneck, and just like their t-shirts, they implemented their signature Pima cotton on these. I'm very familiar with the feel of a Barakett t-shirt, and I've also said this before. They do Pima cotton shirts like unlike any other brand out there. It's cool to the touch, feels like silk, it drapes beautifully, and it has like this really high-end finish, especially after a couple of wears and washes. They retain their color very well. Now, I was sent a size large, and it does run a bit big, but a hot dry cycle should fix that. And I would say this is more comfortable than most of my turtlenecks, not because of the fabric, but because the turtleneck is not like an overly tight elastic fabric that hugs your neck. You have a little bit of breathing room and can adjust, the neck however you like, whether it's all the way up, rolled down, or even rolled down to like a mock or a crew neck. Now, I don't have extreme cold winters here, so this is a great comfortable, light turtleneck that I can wear without, suffocating. Next up are these gray drawstring pants, and I totally forgot the name of them when I looked these up online, but they are a hybrid pant made out of this very comfortable jersey fabric, and I do love a pair of pants that can be used for lounging around or going out. Now, up close they do look like gray dress pants, and you can cover up the elastic band and drawstring with a belt if you were to tuck in your shirt with them, but I like the relaxed look paired together with the turtleneck. Now, these muted colors make the perfect base layer for throwing anything over it, really, such as like a coat, a leather jacket, or like a blazer. Anything really works. There is one more thing that they also sent me, and it is the sweater blazer cardigan hybrid. The fabric is this really cozy chenille, I think is what they call it, fabric that kind of looks like corduroy, but has like has a bit of a plush feel or sheen that just adds a bit more detail with that textured fabric, paired with the turtleneck and pants. It's a pretty cool, unique piece that I can see myself, wearing on those cold nights. And like I said, it has like, the features of a blazer, such as, the patch pockets, like a slightly smaller lapel, and it has a collar that you can pop up, and then it has like the cardigan buttons. But yeah, I'm really digging what Barakett is coming out with the fall and winter season, and thank you so much for sending this out. I'm definitely gonna wear this. I'm probably gonna make a few reels with it because I do love the turtleneck and gray pants combo. But yeah, if you guys are interested, they actually reactivated the code to get 15% off your order, so make sure to use the code AS15 at checkout. Also link them down below. And yeah, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.